Hi guys, welcome to my channel on Education Time. Please like and share my video. For any queries, comment please. To get notification of our videos, please subscribe our channel. Today's session is C++ programming. This is the most important in computer science. This is the first part of C++ programming session. In this video, we will study about the introduction only. For other part, subscribe this channel. So guys, let's start. C++ is a programming language which helps us to give instructions to the computer to perform a task. C programming is one of the oldest programming language and a lot of applications have been written in C. C++ was developed as an extension to C language in order to overcome the limitations of C. So, here the most important line is that is C++ is a programming language which helps us to give instructions to the computer to perform a task. Okay, and C programming is one of the oldest programming language. So, C++ was developed as an extension to C language. Go to next. The major difference between C and C++ is that C does not support classes and objects, whereas C++ supports classes and objects. So this is the most important question in introduction of C++ programming, the difference of C and C++. That is, the major differences between C and C++ is that C does not support classes and objects, whereas C++ supports classes and objects. For now, let's just understand that C++ supports a concept called OOPS. C++ supports a concept that is called OOPS. Okay? OOPS. So, OOPS stand for Object Oriented Programming System. What is the full means of OOPS? That is Object Oriented Programming System. This is important question. Go to next. The list of applications developed using C++ are endless. Various games, softwares and other applications are developed using C++. Let's see some specific scenarios when C++ is being used. Here again the list is endless. Now read some example of use in C++ programming. First is C++ is used to create games and graphics. That is the C++ production. The production, that is C++ production, which is used to create games and graphics. Okay, C++ is used to create games and graphics. That is C++ production. Next, C++ is used to ATM machines which we use to withdraw cash. C++ used in ATM machines which we use to withdraw cash. Okay, this is second point. First point was that this is the first point. First point, that is C++ is used to create games and graphics. That is called C++ production. And next is number two. C++ is used in ATM machines which we use to withdraw cash. Number three, C++ is also used to create desktop applications which we use on daily basis. Okay, number 3. So this is the important. Now we must be wondering how the commands which we write in English are understood by the computer and how it acts accordingly. Let me try to explain this in 5 simple steps. The 5 simple steps are: first is we write the commands in English based C++ language. Okay, that is we write in the commands in C++ language. This is the first point. Go to second point. Then the English based commands are sent to the compiler. We write the commands in English based C++ language is the first step, and then the English based commands are sent to the compiler. Next, the compiler's job is to convert the English based commands into numbers containing ones and zeros, that is 1s to 0s. Next is these numbers are then fed to the computer, and the last 5, the computer reads the commands and perform the task. This is the most important. Please note down this. That is, first we write the commands in English based C++ language. Then the English based commands are sent to a compiler. The compiler's job is to convert the English based commands into numbers containing ones and zeros, that is 1s to 0s. These numbers are then fed to the computer. The computer reads the commands and performs the task. So in this topic you have learned that what is C++. This is the revision. Okay, this is the revision chapter. What is C++? In this short answer, it's a programming language used for giving commands for a computer. Next, most important, that is where is C++ used? Remember the games, ATMs, other stuff, right? How C++ works, the 5 steps: write, compile, convert, feed and perform. That is this part. Okay, first part is write, second part is compiler, that is compile, third is convert, feed and perform. Okay, feed and perform. So this introduction part, the most important part is what is the C++ language. C++ programming use and full form of OOPS, C++ production, and the how C++ works. Okay, you got them right. So you have to strong in कंप्यूटर. अगर आप कंप्यूटर में स्ट्रांग हो चाहते हो तो एवरी चैप्टर को आपको अच्छे से एक्टिविटी यानी कि एक्सरसाइज से अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना होगा. तो एक्सरसाइज का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी, वहाँ से वेबसाइट से आप डाउनलोड करके एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो. थैंक यू.